The Strait of Hormuz is nearly shut down. Brent crude just crossed $102 a barrel, and experts are calling $120, maybe $150 if this drags on. Oil is moving. And if you only have a crypto account, you can still trade it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to trade crude oil on Blofin, step by step, super simple and beginner friendly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to find the oil pair, open your first leveraged oil trade, and manage it safely. Alright, let's get started. First, click the link in the description. Using this link is crucial to unlock all the exclusive bonuses. You can sign up with your email or phone or connect via Google or Apple. For this tutorial, I'll use Gmail. Once you're registered, you're inside your Blofin account and ready to start. Bonuses will be unlocked as you complete certain actions, which I'll walk you through. Let's get some money into your account and start claiming bonuses. Click Assets at the top right, then choose Overview. Once you're on the Overview page, click on Deposit. On Select Crypto, choose USDT. USDT is ideal for trading, but Bitcoin or Ethereum works too. When selecting your network, choose the TRC20 network for low fees. You'll see your personal deposit address, copy it carefully, then go to your current exchange or wallet, paste the address, and send your crypto. It usually takes 5 to 15 minutes. Here's a pro tip: always send a small test amount first, maybe $10 to $20, and double check that the network matches on both sides. Now here's where the bonuses start to kick in. First deposit reward. Deposit at least 100 USDT to your futures account and claim up to 30 USDT mystery box. Stake at least 80 USDT, earn 120% APR, and claim up to 50 USDT mystery box. This is where it gets big. If you transfer 100 USDT and hit 1000 USDT trading volume, you get 15 USDT. This scales all the way up to 5000 USDT if you deposit 100,000 and reach 25 million trading volume. Some rewards may require identity verification. The platform checks that you're a legitimate trader, and if you qualify, the bonus will be credited automatically. If you don't have crypto yet, you can buy directly on Blofin. Go to Buy Crypto in the top left menu. You have two options, but they're technically the same process. Here you can quick buy with credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Select your currency, choose USDT, and pick your payment method: Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and more. Blofin partners with trusted providers for fast fiat to crypto conversions. Fees are higher when buying with fiat, but you're getting the bonus on top. And when you use my link, it still gives you the same bonus structure. If you deposited Bitcoin or another crypto but need USDT for trading, here's how to convert it. Go to spot trading by clicking trade and click spot. Search for your pair, for example, BTC/USDT. Select market order, choose sell, enter the amount, and click sell BTC. This instantly converts your Bitcoin to USDT, which then appears in your spot wallet. You can also choose to convert instantly. To do this, go to spot again and click convert. There are no fees for using Blofin Convert. The quoted receivable assets shown will be the actual amount of assets you will receive in your account once the conversion is executed. After that, your funds will appear in your spot wallet. By the way, before we continue, don't forget to check the Rewards Hub page. After signing up with my link, you can track all your mystery boxes, claim your bonuses, and see exactly how close you are to unlocking the next tier of rewards. It's all automated. Just complete the tasks and the rewards get credited. Now let's move on to what you're waiting for. Futures trading. To open futures, hover on futures and click USDTM futures. You can also choose USDCM if you prefer USDC instead of USDT. After clicking USDTM, it will bring you to the futures dashboard. This is where you'll be doing most of your trading. I'll break down every section so it makes perfect sense. Here's what you'll see on the trading screen. Trading pair selection is at the top left. This is where you choose which crypto to trade, like BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT or any other altcoin. The price chart is in the center. It shows the historical price movement, and you can change the time frame however you like. On the right side, you'll find the order book. Red numbers are sell orders and green numbers are buy orders. The order placement panel is on the far right. This is where you'll place your trades, set leverage, and enter your position size. Finally, at the bottom, there's the positions panel. It shows your active trades, your profit and loss, and your liquidation price. Everything you need is right here on one screen, ready to trade. Now, this is the part that makes this video different from a regular crypto tutorial. We're not trading Bitcoin or Ethereum today. We're trading crude oil. At the top left, where you see your trading pair selection, click on it and search for CLUSDT. That's the ticker for crude oil on Blofin. CL stands for crude oil and USDT is your margin currency. Select it, and just like that, you're now looking at the crude oil price chart right inside your crypto account. You'll see the same candlestick chart, the same order book, the same order panel. Everything works exactly the same way as trading any other pair on Blofin. This is what makes it so powerful. You don't need a separate commodities account. You don't need a broker. You don't need to go through any complicated setup. You already have everything you need right here. Before placing any trade, configure 3 important settings. First, choose your margin mode. Blofin offers 2 options. Isolated margin, this protects the rest of your account. If the trade goes wrong, you only lose what you put into that specific position. Cross margin mode, all positions under the same margin asset share the same margin balance. In the event of liquidation, traders may risk losing the full margin balance along with any positions under the margin asset. For beginners, always use isolated margin to protect your account. Second, set your leverage. Blofin allows up to 20 times on crude oil, but do not use high leverage as a beginner. Stick to 5 times to 10 times maximum. Here's how it works. For example, if you have a $10 balance with 5 times leverage, you get $50 in position buying power. This means you're controlling $50 worth of Bitcoin with only $10 of your own money. For this example, I'm using 5 times leverage on isolated margin. Now that you know where to find crude oil ticker on Blofin, let's place our first futures position trade. Now let's place a long trade. Betting Bitcoin will go up. Choose market order so it executes instantly. You'll see order entry options, order by amount. This is the actual amount of margin for the trade denominated in BTC. Order by quantity. This is the quantity of the futures position with leverage denominated in USDT. For this tutorial, I'll use order by amount because it makes position sizing easier. Set your position size, for example, a $50 position with 5 times leverage. That's $10 of your own capital. Always set stop loss and take profit. Click TP/SL to open the settings. I'll risk $2 to make $6. A 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. Once everything is set, click buy long. Your trade is now live. You'll see it in the positions panel, your entry price, P&L, and liquidation price. To short the market, just choose sell short instead of long. And remember, these futures trading volumes help you unlock bonuses like if you transfer 100 USDT and gain 1000 USDT volume, you get 15 USDT bonus. This scales up to 5000 USDT bonus if you deposit 100,000 and have 25 million trading volume. So definitely don't miss it. As your trade moves in your favor, adjust your stop loss to secure profits. Once you're up a few dollars, move your stop loss to break even. You can also increase or reduce your position while it's active. To close, let your set, take profit, or stop loss, close it automatically. Close manually with the close button, close a percentage of the position, adjust, take profit and stop loss directly on the chart. So before we wrap up, here are essential rules when trading. Start with small position sizes. Don't risk more than 2 to 5% per trade to keep your capital intact. Always use stop losses. This is non-negotiable when doing trading. Keep a trading journal. Write down every single trade you take. And lastly, never risk more than you can afford to lose. Trading is a skill that can give you freedom, but it can also become risky. It takes repetition and discipline. Alright, so that's the full breakdown of how to trade oil futures on Blofin. From signing up to depositing to opening and managing your first trade. Before you go, remember, use my link in the description to claim your bonuses through deposit and trading volume, including up to 5,000 USDT. Remember, start small, focus on learning, and don't chase profits at first. I'll also be uploading more Blofin tutorials, so subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you want a full walkthrough on how to connect your exchanges to OpenClaw AI, click on the video popping on screen right now. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'll see you in the next video.